Welcome back. So coming on to the new concept, that is formation of a smallest possible digit number using given digits. We can form the smallest possible number or the greatest possible number. So suppose these digits are given here 2, 8, 6, 0, 9 and 5. Using these digits only, we have to form the smallest possible number and the greatest possible number. So what is the rule? If I want to form the greatest possible number, then we arrange the given digits. In descending order. Right? Descending order means first the largest digit. Suppose I have to form the greatest possible number. So which one is the greatest digit over here? 9. So I'll write 9. Then what is smaller than 9 over here? 8. Then, and for you, because you are the beginners, what you can do is with a pencil you can put a small cross on these numbers, which will show you that you have used these numbers, right? So this is 9, 8. Now remaining digits, from the remaining digits, see which one is smaller than 8. Now next number smaller than 8 is 6. So I'll write here 6. This is also done. Next is 5. Next is 2. Next is 0. So this is the greatest possible number which can be formed using these digits without repeating any digit. We are not repeating any digit. We are using the digit only once. Now very important thing, you do not have to put any commas over here. Right? Usually what is a common mistake that you people do? Suppose you have made the mistake, you have done the number, you will write it like this: 9, 8, 6, 5, 2, 0. This is wrong. You will not get any. This is not a number. These are the same digits which you have written in descending order. So you will write it without using any commas. If you are willing to use commas, then you will use the commas as per Indian system or the international system. That means you can write like this. Followed? Now we will form the smallest possible number. So for forming the smallest possible number, we arrange the digits in increasing order. That is from smallest to the largest. But there is a clause. 0 should always be included. 0 should always be included. This means, suppose I am writing the smallest number from here. Which one is the smallest digit? 0, right? Then 2, then 5, then 6, then 8, then 9. But 0 is coming here. It's not included. That means using these 6 digits, I have formed a 5-digit number. See the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is also wrong. So what I need to do is I have to include this 0. So to form the smallest possible number, I will include this 0. This 0 will come after 2, after the smallest number. So it will be 2, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9. So what is the smallest possible number? 2, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9. Comma rules are the same. You don't have to put any comma. Let's try another example. B part you will do yourself. You will try it yourself. So forming the greatest possible number. Greatest possible number. So which one is the largest? 8. Then next to that is 7, and I am putting small crosses over here. Then after 7 we have 6. Then 5, 1 and 0. So this is the greatest possible number which can be formed using these 6 digits. Now let's try forming the smallest possible number. Now smallest possible number, which one is the smallest number? 0. But we cannot write 0 at the first place, so we will write 1. So 1, now 0 will come. 0, then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the smallest possible number. For example, if repetition was allowed over here, then in case 0 is there, we will be repeating 0. And in case 0 is not there, we will be repeating the smallest number for making smallest possible number and greatest number for making greatest possible number. This we'll do later. Let's try another example. I'm doing E part for you. D you will do as homework. I'll send you the pages of the exercise. So from there you will do the remaining parts. Right? So here we have greatest possible number. So what is the greatest digit here? 9. Then 8. After 8 we see 6. Then 5. Then 2. Then 1 and then 0. And smallest possible number? So we have to arrange it in ascending order. So 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. Oh, see, we have done a common mistake. This is wrong. We have to put 0. We have to include the 0. So you don't have to repeat the mistake which ma'am has made. Right? Let's move on to the next concept. Suppose you are given the option of repeating a digit. So this is question number 6. Write the greatest and smallest 8-digit number using the digits 8, 6, 7, 5, 2 and 3, and 2 of the digits can be repeated. So it's our choice. We have been given freedom that we can repeat any of the 2 digits. So children, when I have to form the greatest possible number, what has ma'am taught you? That we will be arranging the digits in descending order. That means from the largest to the smallest. And any 2 of the digits can be repeated. So which 2 digits will be repeated? The largest 2. So if I first I'll arrange them, I have to make 8-digit number and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits only. So first of all, let's arrange them. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. So these 6 digits I have arranged. Now which 2 digits I will repeat? I will repeat the largest 2 digits. So my number that can be formed will be 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. So this is the largest, this is the greatest 8-digit number which can be formed by repeating any 2 digits from here. Similarly, we have the smallest possible number. Order remains increasing order. So I'll write first step is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now which number, which digit should I repeat so that it becomes the smallest possible number? If I repeat 8 or 7 here also, it will not be the smallest. So for making the smallest possible number, I will repeat the smallest digit over here, that are 2 and 3. So that is 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will check, is it 8-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So this is your answer. I will be posting you more questions related to this so that you have practice of repeated digit questions as well. Because only one type of question is given in the book. So I'll share an assignment with you. Not today, maybe in the next class. Bye for now. Complete your work and all remaining parts you will do and submit it on our personal windows. Have a good day.